Welcome to Recipes for 7 Life. I am so excited because it's time for Taste of Buffalo. And my friend Azrael from DA Taste is here to show us how to make what?
This is our infamous pineapple pico de gallo.
Okay, how did you make it?
So first we dice our pineapple, then we dice some tomatoes, a little bit of green pepper, 2 or 3, some red onion, some cilantro. Then we're gonna take it, mix it all up in a bowl. Then you're gonna squeeze about 3 or 4 limes to taste, some salt and some pepper, and then let it sit for about 10 minutes in your fridge.
Oh, this smells so good. And then you also fried up some chips for us too.
So these chips, you can get your own, but we like to fry our own. You can get them, corn tortillas at Tops. You're gonna cut them in 4s. You're gonna take those, fry them about 350 degrees, 2 minutes or until crispy.
Yeah.
Take them out, put a brown paper bag under, perfect.
I love how you use all fresh vegetables that you can get at your local Tops, but you also said that you can use, instead of pineapple, you can substitute for other fruit, right?
Correct. So if you don't like pineapple, we can use watermelon, you can use pear, you can use apple. Change it up any season that you like for the fresh fruit that is in season.
This is so good. So I have to ask, where did the name DA Taste come from for your business?
So the D and the A is Dominic and Azrael. It's also for our kids, Dominic and Amira.
I love that.
The taste is the taste of what we make. So DA Taste, because it's all about the taste.
Oh, I love that. I love that. And you have to stop and check them out at the Taste of Buffalo.
Correct. We
You
are
guys-
serving full portions.
Full portions. And what else will you have?
So we'll have our beef birria taco, our Dom's taco, our pineapple pico with the chips, and then we're gonna be coming out with our mac bowl with burnt belly on the top and a little bit of red cabbage.
You guys need to check that out. Let me tell you what else that you need to do. Head over to wkbw.com/7life to get this full recipe because Azrael hooked you up. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I gotta get some more of this.
That's good.